In today's video, we're going to take a look at the Rocketbook Core. It is a cloud-connected notebook. Now, you might be asking yourself, what is a cloud-connected notebook? And I'm glad you asked. Well, it's basically like a dry erase board in a notebook format. It gives you that true experience of paper and pen, and yet coupled with the Rocketbook mobile app on iPhone or Android, you scan your notes and then they get sent up to a cloud service that you designate. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then let's dive in deeper. So we're at the Rocketbook website, and you can see they have a ton of reusable notebooks and reusable planners. The price point is between $20 and $45, depending on which model you buy. Okay, so let's get started. We'll do a quick overview of the app. I'll show you its features and different tabs. It's available for Android and iOS, so you can download it from your respective store. I have it already on my iPhone. It's the green Rocketbook app. Let's open it up. When you first launch the app, it launches to a history page where you can see all of the previous scans and notes that you have taken. If you go to the hamburger up in the upper left-hand corner, it just gives you a couple of how-to videos and settings. You can go into the settings and see your scan settings, your handwriting recognition settings, file naming template, and all of the above. So we'll go back one screen. If we go over to the three horizontal dots in the upper right-hand corner and hit select, then you have the option of selecting one or multiple documents, and you can delete them at the bottom, merge them, share them with someone, or resend them back to the cloud service if you wish. Now, moving from left to right along the bottom of the app, there's a Smart List tab. Now, I haven't really done anything with Smart List, so I'm not going to cover that in this video. So let's move over to the next tab, which says New Scan. If I press on New Scan, you can see there are two options on the bottom, Rocketbook to the left, Beacons to the right. Let's click on Rocketbook quickly. When you have the Rocketbook tab selected, this is where you would go ahead and scan your actual notes that you took on the Rocketbook app, and I'm going to demo that in the next segment of this video. And then if we select the Beacons tab, you see it says Position Whiteboard within the screen. So this is where you can take an old-fashioned dry erase whiteboard, put 4 beacons in the corner supplied from Rocketbook, and then you can actually use the dry erase board and turn it into a smart board and scan the board and have that send the scan to the cloud. So that's pretty cool. And then up at the top of the app, there's also a feature called Snapcast, but we'll cover that in a separate video. Let's move on, going to the Explore tab. This is just giving you the option to explore the store. And then the important tab is the one to the right where it says Destinations. Under Destinations, you can set up to 7 different cloud destinations. I have mine already set up to Google Drive. So if I click on that, you can see all of the settings for my Google Drive setup. If I select Change Destination, here you can see all of the different cloud services that are available that's supported by Rocketbook. So you have Google Drive, Evernote, Dropbox, OneNote, OneDrive, Trello, Slack, Box, iCloud, email, and messages. Let's jump over into the live demo of the Rocketbook itself. Okay, I have the Rocketbook open, and here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different icons, and each of these icons represent placeholders for the different cloud services that you could set up in the Rocketbook mobile app. So in this line here, I could write for my own reference, Google Drive. If I had OneNote set up as the second cloud service, I could write OneNote here, and so on. Now, where does this come into play? Well, down at the bottom of each page, each of those icons are present. Now, you can't see them along here because they're in a very light grayed out print. However, those would work as shortcuts, and we'll talk about shortcuts in a little bit in this video. But for now, just know that there are 7 different icons that are placeholders for 7 different cloud services, and there are shortcuts for each of those icons at the bottom of each of the pages. Now, that said, let me spin this around and we'll do a quick writing sample. So I'm going to say, hello, everyone. Okay, now that I have that written, what I'm going to do is grab the Rocketbook mobile app, and we're going to click on the scan icon, and you see it's turning green, and now it's scanning. So I'm going to select the first cloud service, which is my Google Drive, and then I'm going to hit next. And it's auto sending. And if I switch over now to my computer, when it's done sending, we should be able to see the file there. And here it is if I open it. And you can see here's the text that I just wrote on the actual Rocketbook page. We could see at the bottom, it tried to recognize my handwriting. It didn't do a bad job. It says hello and everyone with a D at the end. So it misinterpreted the exclamation point for the letter D. But the nice thing about it is once it interprets the text, you can copy that text and paste it into another document for further editing. Okay, so let's go back to the actual Rocketbook page. Let's erase this one. So we just take the microfiber cloth, a little damp microfiber cloth, and erase it. Now I don't have to wait for that to dry. I can go to another page in my Rocketbook. It comes with multiple pages. So I can select another page. And now we're going to show you how to utilize the icons along the bottom. And I'm also going to show you another pro tip if you want to call it that. So before I wrote, hello everyone. And I'll write, thanks for watching. Okay, now, if I wanted to title this document in the Google Drive, all I have to do is put my title up here and surround it in double hashtags. Title goes here. Put the double hashtag. And then across the bottom, I'm going to select the first icon. That's the shortcut that I mentioned earlier. I'm going to put an X through it. So this time when I actually take the Rocketbook app and scan the page, I don't have to tell it or choose the actual cloud service. The shortcut here is going to auto send it directly to Google Drive. There we go. And it says that it's auto sending. Let me switch back over to the computer now. Okay, and here's the second document. Let's take a look at it. You can see now the title of the document. Title goes here, taken from the double hashtag here. This time it looks like it did a better job at interpreting my handwriting. So it says, hello everyone. It got the exclamation point this time. Thanks for watching. And again, like I said earlier, you can highlight and copy this text and paste it into another document. Okay, so there you go. A quick overview of the Rocketbook app and the Rocketbook itself. Let me know what you think about it. If you own a Rocketbook, then I hope this video helped you get started. Go ahead, set up your cloud services and start archiving your files to your favorite service. So if you like this video and you'd like to see more videos like this, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out other videos that I have listed here up above. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. And I want to thank you, as I do in every video, for using the Amazon affiliate links down below. I know they don't change your price, but they do help out the channel. Once again, my name is Tony with Quick Tech Solutions. As always, please stay safe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.